Welcome back. Today, we are going to talk about how pain and anxiety affects our focus, and how this in turn affects how we feel. You will learn how to readjust your focus and manage your feelings using your breath in a similar way to how you managed your thoughts in yesterday's session. So to get started, let's recap with a short relaxation exercise. So get in your most comfortable position, and then, when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Any sounds you hear in the room, in the house, include them into the session. Now notice your breath, entering and leaving your body, wherever you feel it most. Savor the feeling of release on the out-breath. If your mind starts to wander, let it go. Just give the out-breath your full focus each time it comes around. Really savor that out-breath feeling. Give the out-breath your full focus whenever it comes around. As the out-breath comes around, give it your full focus. We all think about our lives from time to time. Sometimes we focus on the things that have not worked out for us, and we feel that life is unfair. And other times, we think about people who are special to us, those who make our lives richer. Sometimes we hear about people in unfortunate situations, and we are reminded how lucky we are. There is little point trying to argue which point of view, lucky or unlucky, is most correct, because they are both equally true. We can all say we are unlucky, and we can all say we are lucky, depending on what we choose to focus on. And where we choose to focus is often influenced by how we feel at the time. When severe pain hits and the nervous system is activated, the body experiences anxiety. It goes into fight mode, survival mode. In this state, our focus narrows. Things appear black and white. Thinking becomes more intense, and alternative ways of seeing things are not always available. Anxiety hijacks and takes control of our focus. In this state, good opportunities may cross our path, but you will not be in a state to notice or take advantage of them. Anxiety is an important biological function for our survival. If a predator is about to eat you, then focusing on the clouds, the bright green grass, your wonderful friends, is not going to help your survival. In order to stay alive, you need a narrow, decisive black and white focus. You need to focus on the worst thing that can happen to you so you can avoid it happening. The greater the level of pain and anxiety, the narrower the focus. And when we are in this state, it is not a good time to be forming opinions about our lives. It is the time thoughts can get the better of you. Although we can't always turn off anxiety when it hits us, we can still turn the intensity down. We can slow down the rate of thoughts and widen our focus using the breath. You can still empower yourself when you are in a state of anxiety by slowing down your breathing, widening your thinking. This widens your options, gives you back some power. It also gives you the presence of mind to notice and take advantage of opportunities that come your way. We are now going to do an exercise where we use the out-breath to slow down our thinking and accommodate feelings that arise. The more you practice this technique, the more you will cultivate awareness in your life. And with this awareness comes the freedom to choose what you want to focus on. Now gently place your hands just below your ribs. Notice the movement under your hands with each breath. Use the muscles in that area to increase the movement under your hands ever so slightly. Notice the air entering and leaving your body. Now focus on the feeling of the out-breath. Notice the feeling in your body as the air travels out. Savor that out-breath feeling. Now add a little pause between the in-breath and the out-breath. Just pause for a moment after you fully breathe in. The pause gives you a moment to gather yourself before you experience the release of the out-breath. Really savor that out-breath release. Now extend the out-breath a little more. Make it slightly slower, slightly longer. Sometimes when you slow down and quieten the mind, feelings can arise and come to the surface. Usually these feelings are already there in the background, but you have been too busy to notice them. If you notice any feelings arise, invite them on the in-breath, and then after the pause, give the out-breath your full focus. The intensity of the feelings may grow or fade, or you might notice nothing at all. Stay with the exercise. Give the out-breath your full focus when it comes around. Invite whatever needs to happen on the in-breath. Pause, and then give your out-breath its full focus. You are not trying to change or eliminate any experience. All we are doing is sitting with whatever experience comes our way, and then focusing on the out-breath. Give the out-breath your full focus. When you learn to sit in whatever experience is happening to you, it gives your mind some space. New options become available to you. Every time you choose to breathe rather than react, you give yourself more power. Give the out-breath your full focus. Practicing today's exercise will not only serve to empower you, but it can also influence what comes into your life. When the mind is in a reactive, anxious state, vision narrows, which means good opportunities may pass you by unnoticed. Practice this exercise whenever you can. Working with the out-breath will help retrain your nervous system and take back control of your focus. Each time you choose breathing instead of reacting, you will not only limit the distress you feel in the long run, but you will be in a better position to notice and take hold of opportunities that come your way. Tomorrow, we will use the out-breath to learn how to release tension in the body. I'll leave you with a quote from John Milton. No person can touch the freedom of your mind.